you're a police officer. I don't care. You're not helping me if my bag's in here. Are you done or not? I just asked you a question.
On July 30th, 2024, officers at a Washington airport responded to a security zone breach that shut down the airport's train system. A passenger bypassed a restricted checkpoint after deplaning, triggering an alarm and causing widespread travel disruption. Viewer advisory. This video contains body camera footage of physical restraint and arrest presented for legal analysis.
How about you shut the up? Who?
I haven't talked to you at all yet.
Yeah, you haven't. So what's up?
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, where's my bags? You want to look up my name? You don't even know my name, do you? Oh, you're a police officer, so you automatically do, huh? No, you don't, because my name was never
Why are you
issue.
yelling at me?
Am I? Am I?
You're raising your voice.
Okay, so look me up.
You're being audio video recorded,
Look
by the
me
way.
up. I need my bags. That's what the I just said, right?
We can figure out some solutions. We also have to figure
No,
out why you're
I
coming
just
to take
said-
care of you when you don't have business here.
I don't have business here.
Why are you
Where'd I
going back
come
through-
from? Where'd I come from?
Tell me.
Am I what? Sorry, came from the army. So, what's the word? I'm a
Being detained?
no. That's not what the I said, right?
That's what I said.
No. What's the word? It's a. I'm gonna hang the up on you because you're not cooking me up. It's a. I don't know what the word is to it. So what's up? What's up? Because you left me. You're in your car. Whatever. I don't give a I got off Alaska Airlines. I could not carry my bags on my own. They were over 50 pounds. My fiance came in here to carry my bags. I could not find my bags. That's what you want me to say, right? Right. Okay. So you hear him?
I'm not talking to him. I'm talking to you.
But do you hear him?
I don't need
You
to-
can take me to jail. I don't give a
Do you have any ID on you?
No, I don't, because they're in my bag.
Okay, where are your bags right now?
I don't know. Just like I said, I got off Alaska. Look, I'm gonna count to 1, 2, 3, right? Alaska Airlines I got off of,
Yeah.
right? I cannot carry my bags. Count 2, right? Alaska, are you counting? Or am I? Alaska Airlines cannot carry my bags. My fiance came out here. 1, 2, motherfucking 3. Take me to jail if you want to.
I don't even know what happened. That's why you're being detained. We're talking with you.
Right. I got drunk on my flight.
Okay.
I cannot carry my bags. So my fiance came to pick me up. Are you listening or not? You can take me to jail. I don't give a f***.
Where did you leave? So, are these check bags or are these bags
They're
you have
check
with you?
bags.
Okay.
So I'm at the check bag area, right?
Baggage claim. Yeah.
Yeah, baggage claim, which is check bags.
Well,
We
why are
can
you
acknowledge
causing-
that or
Why are you
not.
causing a breach alarm to go off? Meaning you went.
I don't care.
You went
I
to
don't
where you're not
care.
supposed to be,
I don't care.
And now the
I
airport's
went to where? I went to where? Where I was not supposed to be.
North STS.
Where? To actually talk to me.
I just told
Write
you.
a report. Write a report. Okay?
Well, I'm probably
Let's
gonna
yeah,
need
because
your
I
name.
own businesses. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do that and see how far it goes. You don't even know how to talk to me, bitch.
So we're trying to
Shut
help
up.
you out.
You're not.
Okay.
You're not, because where's my bags? You're not helping me if my bags ain't here. Right?
So I don't.
Yeah,
I don't do that.
you're so in charge. Yeah, you're so in charge. If my dad was on the phone versus my husband, you
want me
would
to
shut
talk
the
to
up. You would shut the up.
Okay.
So boom.
Okay. We just gotta work through
No,
what we got here.
this is too funny because if it was my dad here, he would have carried my bags and it wouldn't be no problem. But I'm really drunk. I just came from
Yeah,
the
so
military.
what-
In my bag, there's a military ID
Okay.
on my flight because I threw up before I came here. He's right here.
Is he?
He's right here. I know.
Were
I
you
know.
traveling with her?
No, I wasn't. I was coming to pick her up.
You can't go talk to her right now. Okay.
Like I said, what I say before I got here.
What's she? So
She's
what's
being detained for trespassing.
she don't have her ID on her?
No,
I'm not here to hurt you or nothing like that.
she didn't come out of the SCS.
Yeah, no, she did. They come get me to so I can go pick up the bag.
But you're the police officer, right? Right?
correct.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm telling you, we went to go pick him up. Obviously, she went into the wrong restricted area.
Yeah.
And then she started flashing.
Issue 1. Investigative detention versus arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, decided in 1968, Officers may briefly detain a person on reasonable, articulable suspicion, a lower threshold than probable cause. The documented security breach confirmed by airport staff and alarm records satisfied that threshold the moment officers made contact. The subject was lawfully detained, not yet arrested. This distinction matters. Detention restricts movement for investigation. Arrest is a full Fourth Amendment seizure requiring probable cause. Officers correctly communicated detained status at the outset, as required under Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, decided in 1984. Issue 2. Trespassing. Does intent matter? Under Washington Revised Code, Section 9A.52.070, criminal trespass in the first degree requires only that a person knowingly enter or remain unlawfully in a restricted structure. The subject argued she was not trespassing because she held a valid airline ticket. That argument fails legally. A boarding pass authorizes access to departures and baggage claim not to secured infrastructure zones or restricted train corridors. Authorization is location-specific under Washington trespass law. Additionally, federal aviation security law under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902 and TSA regulations independently prohibit unauthorized entry into sterile and restricted airport areas. The subject's intent to retrieve baggage is not a statutory defense. Issue 3. Obstruction and resisting arrest. When the subject moved toward her fiancé in defiance of a detention order, she crossed from noncompliance into active obstruction. Under Washington Revised Code Section 9A.76.040, obstruction requires willfully hindering or delaying an officer in the discharge of official duties. Ignoring a direct detention command satisfies that element. When officers initiated handcuffing and the subject physically pulled away, tensed, and refused to present her wrists, the resisting arrest charge under Washington Revised Code Section 9A.76.060 was established, captured directly on Bodycam.
She's drunk, obviously. She's belligerent.
I need my bags.
Okay.
That's all I
Do you want me to
said.
get your bags for you or not?
Are you going to or not?
I
Because I'll
need your
bail
name.
myself out. I don't care.
She's being detained because we're investigating trespass right now. You know what her middle initial is?
I don't know. I just know her. I just know her for first name.
You're the boyfriend?
I'm the boyfriend. Yeah.
You don't know her date of birth or anything?
I don't know her date of birth.
You don't know her birthday? How long you guys been dating?
7 months.
Yeah, missed her birthday.
Look.
Hey, if you want me to help you, you gotta
No,
hang out over
listen. Because I might have left my check in bag on the airplane.
Are we talking like carry-on baggage
No,
or
they're
check
heavy.
baggage?
They're check baggage.
Okay, so that would be on a carousel on here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But I have 2 check bags because it's military and they're free.
here. Okay.
But she was trespassing down into the train station.
Yeah, I was trying to grab her and she didn't like it.
What's up?
No.
No, stay.
I'm going to stand by him.
No, you're going to walk back up there.
Why?
Because they're directing, because you're being detained. You don't get to walk free right now. I already tell you you're detained right now. So walk back up there, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Okay, so put me in handcuffs because I want to walk by him.
Can you stop?
Go ahead.
You really want to do that?
I want to stand by him.
You can walk back
I
up there
just
because you've
got
been directed to
here.
by
I
law
just
enforcement
got
like
here
being
for
detained.
him.
I'm trying to help you.
Go ahead. I'm not scared of you guys.
No. Did you just say you graduated from basic training?
Hello?
Did I?
You did.
Did you hear me say that? Did you hear me say that?
Okay, sounds good.
Hey, can you guys?
I'm right here. Do you want me to walk right here?
Hey.
Put her in
I'm
handcuffs.
right here.
Stop.
You're in
Go
handcuffs.
ahead. The that's what you guys been wanting me to do. I should have just called my dad. Which I did.
Spread your feet.
Stop. Are you done?
Bitch, I've been done.
Well, you're still tension up. All right, so you're going to jail for trespassing and obstruction.
Trespassing
You're
for
under
what?
arrest for obstruction.
You guys ain't
We're
gonna
going to
win
confirm
nothing.
PC on the trespass.
Yeah, bitch, go ahead. You done? Or not?
I'll confirm now.
Are you done or not? I just asked you a question.
Well, you're now under arrest. That's where we are.
Yeah, okay. I don't think they're done that.
Come stand over here.
Yeah. I'm stronger than what you thought. So
You're not,
tense up or what?
So stay
Tense
calm.
or
Stay calm.
tense up or
Listen.
strengthen it. What?
We would prefer this goes relaxed. If you would prefer that we search you while you're flat on the
How about
ground,
you
we
just
can do
shut
that
up and do what
instead.
your job
We
is?
prefer not to do that.
How about you just shut up and do what your job is?
My job is arresting people. We just did that.
Go ahead.
No, you're
You
under arrest. That's why
arrested
you
me,
have
you put me in the
handcuffs.
car, all the shit?
Yes, we're going to do that.
So she just shut down an international
I know that,
Right?
you know
So
what
there's
I'm saying?
consequences.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against
Yeah, I
you in
got
a
that
court of
same
law.
cord.
It's hard for me to control
I know.
her because
You want to take a seat over here for me? I know it's kind of tough to
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent me for any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise the rights of not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
spread your feet
right?
out. We're searching
That's
you.
your name, right, sir?
It's Sergeant.
Order sheet, Sergeant.
Okay. You want to search
Sir.
her?
Go ahead and search me, because that's your job, right?
That's what we're doing. Yes.
Right. I'm not scared of you. I don't give a to go on the ground. I'm supposed to sleep in a hole in the army, bitch.
You're not a very good soldier.
Shut the up. How about that, bitch?
You're talking about being a soldier.
How about you shut the up?
Who's start transporting now?
Ask for transport.
As soon as she gets in the car, the better.
Yeah, and you can also let go of my neck because
Hold
what?
still. Stop flipping around like a fish.
And then when I press charges, then what?
What
You're so right, and I was wrong, right?
on?
How about you tell me?
Well, you're
Because you were so right and I was so wrong, right? Because I was trespassing, right? Right?
Still establishing.
Because that hurts my motherfucking wrist, right, bitch?
Stop pushing.
Issue 4. Use of force. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, decided in 1989, force is judged by the perspective of a reasonable officer on scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. The relevant factors are severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether she was actively resisting. All three factors supported escalation to physical control at the point of handcuffing. Officers used soft-to-hard empty-hand control escort grip, handcuffing, and ground stabilization. No impact weapons, chemical agents, or elevated force options were deployed. The force applied was proportionate to the resistance encountered. One procedural concern. The subject made a verbal injury complaint regarding neck contact during the restraint. Officers did not acknowledge that complaint on camera. Best practice requires real-time verbal acknowledgement for documentation purposes. Issue 5. Miranda. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, decided in 1966, and affirmed in Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, decided in 1984, rights advisement is required prior to custodial interrogation. Officers administered the full Miranda warning after handcuffing and received verbal acknowledgement from the subject. This satisfies constitutional requirements for timing and delivery. The subject continued making voluntary statements after acknowledging Lorda, her Miranda rights. Those statements are admissible. Invoking rights requires an affirmative, unambiguous assertion. Continued talking constitutes waiver under Bergwis v. Tompkins, 560 U.S. 370, decided in 2010. Issue 6. Search incident to arrest. Under Illinois v. Lafayette, 462 U.S. 640, decided in 1983, a search of a lawfully arrested subject is constitutionally permissible, without a warrant. No Fourth Amendment violation occurred here.
I don't care what the you thought you were just doing, right?
Stop pushing against the handcuffs.
Bitch, I'm not scared. And I'm not hurt, bitch. I'm not trespassing because, bitch, I got a motherfucking air flight. I got a motherfucking air ticket, bitch. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's
Okay,
up?
pick her up. Pick her up. You can lay flat.
You stay down there.
Yeah, that's okay, bitch.
Lay flat.
And then what?
That is it.
Yeah, that is it, huh? Yeah, bitch, I would have knocked you the out. You punk ass bitch. Grabbing my bags, talking about some trespassing. Bitch, I got off the flight looking for my motherfucking bags. You punk ass bitch.
So your bags are over on carousel 15?
I don't give a where my bags are. Get them and get them out. That's all the I care about, right?
I'm asking you. Would you like me
I don't know where they are. My fiance can get them because they're too heavy, right? That's why the he's here, right? Yeah, that part. So I don't want to hear nothing else. I don't want to hear nothing else. That's all talking. I don't give a bitch.
Is there a way I can actually get her bags?
Yeah. If she says yes, you can.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay, yeah, you can.
Okay, I just don't know where
They're on bag lane 15.
I don't know where they
Hey there, what you
are. So keep playing with me. Bitch, I wish you would.
You can't
Bitch.
threaten people.
And I could. I
No,
could.
You can't threaten people.
Look, I own businesses. I own LLCs. Bitch, I've been in Lamborghinis, bitch. Then what? Then what? You don't even know what to say because you ain't never. Bitch, shut up. The arrest me then. That's what the I've been said, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, you don't even know what to do. Bitch, because you ain't never been where I've been.
Is that her?
Bitch, shut up.
That's the one that was
Shut up.
causing the problem?
And you ain't
Okay,
said
we
nothing
just
since,
we just
right?
needed somebody to say, yep, that's the one that did it. Okay, cool. All right.
She was coming down the stairs. Well, she came down the stairs with her boyfriend, and I thought they were gonna go back up the escalator.
Once I saw the do not enter.
Yeah. Then she started just walking, and I stood up and I told her to stop. And that's when she told me, she's like, "What are you gonna do? Gonna stop me, bitch?" And then that's when I told her like stop. And then she just kept on walking. And then she's like, "I need to get my bags." That's when one of our co-workers went chasing after her, and then I pressed the breach button.
Yeah.
And then as she was walking out, she was just like, "You're lucky I didn't punch you." Just started walking out.
I thought she was gonna punch you.
I thought she, yeah.
Did she like ball up?
Yeah, she went like this to me, like that.
Ooh, like really like close?
Yeah, you can look at the video.
Ooh, okay.
Bitch, shut up. Shut up, right? And you ain't said nothing since, right? I done been to jail. I don't care. You're not scaring me. You're not hurting me. Bitch, I done died everything. I don't care. I don't care. I really don't care.
Okay, you're under arrest for trespass as well.
That's fine. Because I done had an air ticket and you're going to dismiss the charge. That's good. I came from the Army. Like, fuck? My Army license is in my bag.
Your
I didn't trespass
boyfriend
shit.
said you're discharged from the Army. You're not in the Army.
Okay, but look.
Is that true?
How'd I get here? How'd I get here? Right? From the Army, right?
Pair of the shoes.
My DOD, right?
Pair of the shoes just discharged. Like recently.
Okay, well, get her social.
What's your social?
How about you ask somebody else? Because you guys know everything, right?
Well, if you don't know your social,
How about you ask somebody else? Shut the up, bitch.
Been like
fuck?
this the whole time.
Huh?
You're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
That's fine. I don't care.
Just let you know.
I don't care.
I'm gonna just wait until you guys do the full process to send her there, and I'm gonna just try to bail her out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just try to.
Grades. Washington Airport Police B+. Probable cause was established and properly applied at each stage. Miranda was timely. Force was proportionate. De-escalation was attempted, repeatedly before physical contact. Minor deduction for the unacknowledged injury complaint. The subject D, 3 legally supported charges, resulted directly from her own conduct. Her belief that a boarding pass authorized entry into restricted zones is incorrect under both state and federal law. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest elevated her exposure significantly. The fiancé B-. He complied with officer direction and did not interfere with the arrest. Deduction for approaching a detained subject before being redirected, and for a missed opportunity to de-escalate. Lessons learned. For travelers, airport restricted zones are governed by both state trespass law and federal aviation security regulations. A boarding pass does not authorize entry into secured infrastructure. The consequences of a security breach extend well beyond inconvenience. For encounters with law enforcement, verbal resistance does not reduce charges. It builds a record of obstruction. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest adds a separate, well-documented charge. The appropriate remedy for an unlawful detention is through the courts, not through physical noncompliance. For officers, contemporaneous injury complaints must be verbally acknowledged, on camera regardless of whether force is lawfully applied. Failure to do so creates evidentiary gaps that affect departmental review and civil liability exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.